Hey everyone, today I just wanted to do a quick review for the L'Oreal Color Caress Wet Shine Lip Stain by Color Reach, which is a pretty long name, but it's a really awesome product. And I have it in Infinite Fuchsia, which is number 187. This is just a great product, and I'm so happy that so many people are really raving about it online because it's worth the hype. It really is. So I purchased this the other day at my local Duane Reade, which is the New York version of Walgreens, actually. So I purchased it. I believe it was around $9.50 at my Duane Reade. So it's kind of pricey for a lip product, but it's totally worth it. So what this promises is that it's going to give you a stain and it's going to give you wet glossy lips at the same time, and it's going to last for, I believe it says 12 hours. So I'm just going to tell you what I kind of thought of the product. I've worn it for a couple of days now, really trying to use it. And I was only able to get this color because I also wanted to get the red one. I believe it's like called Big Apple or something like that, or Red Apple. But they just didn't have it at my local Duane Reade, so I just got this one. The other one had sold out. The other ones also come in like light pinks and nudes, but knowing that it's a stain, I kind of thought that this would be the best bang for my buck because it actually has color that will pop up on my lips. So this is the Infinite Fuchsia. As you can tell, for a stain, it's very moisturizing. It not only looks moisturizing, but it really is on your lips. Um, it does take a while for it to set into your skin. So if you're expecting to be able to like kiss a boyfriend or something like that right after you apply, it's not exactly going to work like that. I did try it on my boyfriend, but it takes around, I believe, around 15-20 minutes. What you'll start feeling is this kind of, not stickiness, but this tackiness on your lips, and it's just kind of it seeping into your skin and really absorbing, and that's when you'll kind of know when it's the right time to try it. So I just applied this a couple of minutes ago, so I'll show you what that looks like if I were to wipe it. So I just have a piece of scrap paper here, and obviously it still comes up pretty strong. So it's not a miracle worker. It, is kind of this mixture between a gloss and a stain. It does stain pretty well. And I tested it on my hand one day. I did it during the nighttime, I believe, so I wanted to see if it would last until the morning, and it lasted until close to the next night. It wasn't obviously vibrant or shiny anymore, but there was a light stain on it. So kind of fades to, I would say, like a lollipop kind of stain once you've kind of wiped off the glossiness of it. What else? I love the colors in this collection. They have the red, they have those pinks, they have a couple of nude colors. I'm not exactly sure how the nudes would work, whether it would like stain your lips nude. Like, I don't really get the point of those. I'm not sure how those would work. I guess maybe I'll do a review on those. But I did find this one really awesome. Another thing to mention is that a lot of people mention this on YouTube, and I totally agree. It's a dupe for the YSL lip stains that also are claiming to have this kind of moisturizing power. Now, if you don't know, L'Oreal actually owns YSL, so this is probably the reason for the formula being so similar. I believe it was a recent buy by L'Oreal, so it hasn't been, I think, like them being owned by L'Oreal together for the longest time. However, if you do get this, it does have a very similar formula. A lot of other reviews you'll find online will say exactly the same thing. It just has that kind of moisturizing feeling on your lips, and it does have that tacky feeling afterwards, after you've kind of had it on for around 20 minutes. Once again, not really sticky, I didn't feel. I really love the color payout. This is just an amazing lip color. It looks so vibrant and so strong, and for it to just be from like a gloss is amazing, I think. So definitely worth the price, I think, because it will be lasting you all day. If you think about it, how many times do you apply lip gloss again throughout the day? It's probably like 3 or 4 times if you have a long day. While this you can apply once, and maybe if you start seeing it drying out or like losing that shininess to it, you just apply a thin coat over it and you're good to go for at least a few more hours. So I'm a really big fan of these. Definitely going to try picking up the red one at least. And I hope you guys really found this review just useful, because I know that it's kind of a hefty price to be paying, even if it's, just a drugstore, $10 for a lip product, while, usually I think lip gloss will be around 4 or 5. So yeah, definitely check this product out. It's worth your money, and it's definitely a great product to check into.